Hello children, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine at your places and doing well. So here you can see Zara and Zen, and they are excited to perform a series of tests on a few solutions to find out whether they are acidic or basic in nature. Their teacher handed a few yellow colored paper strips, and before she could return to guide them, Zen had already dropped a few drops of some solution on it, and to his surprise, the paper turned bright red. Both Zara and Zen were confused. So what happened? That Zara and Zen, their teacher has given some yellow strips to these children, and they were doing some tests to find out that the substance provided by the teacher is acidic or basic in nature. But before getting the instructions from the teacher, what Zen has done, he has put some drops of those liquids which they were having on that yellow paper, and the paper becomes red. So the teachers returned and explained that they too have done the test which tells that a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Since the yellow color of the paper turned to red, it indicated that one solution was tested. But how does this paper tell us the nature of the solution? Do you remember understanding the concept of indicators in the previous video? These are nothing but the substance that help us to detect whether the given solution is acidic or basic in nature. So indicators are the substances that help us to detect whether the given solution is acidic or basic in nature. So without tasting, we can find the nature of any substance. So it is simply a blotting paper with turmeric applied on it. So we all are having turmeric in our homes that we are using in our kitchen to make food. In the preparation of food, we are using turmeric, and this is an excellent indicator to detect the acidic or basic nature of the solutions. In this case, the paper turned red when the solution was poured onto it. So, what did the indicator tell us? It clearly indicated that the solution was basic. Okay, so whenever we use alkaline solution and we put it on the turmeric, it turns into red color. So the color changes into red. It means the solution is basic. The basic nature is brighter. It means that is having the more amount of base, and in acid they do not the turmeric will not change its color. So we will find that if a solution is basic, it will change into red color, and if it is acidic, it will remain unchanged. So the unchanged solution remain unaffected. That is how turmeric helps to differentiate between acids and bases. Or we can say, by the help of turmeric, we can identify the nature of any substance. If there is no change in color or it remains unaffected, then that means it is acid. or acidic in nature, or if it turns its color from yellow to red, it means it is a base. So more natural substances that can be used as indicators. There are a long list. There is a long list. For example, we have natural indicators like hibiscus or China rose petals and the lichens. So what are indicators? Indicators are those substances which are used to detect the acidic or basic nature of solutions. With the help of indicators, we can easily find that a given substance or the solution is acidic or basic in nature. We have already discussed that turmeric is an example of natural indicator. Now let us talk about few more natural indicators. China rose is a plant and that is also used as an indicator. The fact is that the flowers of China rose possesses a good ability of detecting acids and bases. So, how do we use China rose flower or hibiscus flower as an indicator? It's very simple. All we have to do is to add hot water to the petals of China rose in a beaker and let it rest for some time. The solution can be used as an indicator when drops of this are added to an acidic solution, then the color of the solution changes to magenta, red, or a slightly different shade of red. For that matter, however, when it is added to an alkaline or a basic solution, the color of the alkali changes to green or yellowish green, to be precise. The solutions changes color in the very less time, and that is how we use China rose as an indicator. However, sometimes it's not very convenient to add the indicator to the solution. In such cases, some different types of system is required, something more efficient. So, in such cases, litmus paper comes to our rescue. What are litmus papers? Well, before that, tell me, have you come across the terms lichens? Yes, we have studied in biology that the symbiotic relation of algae and fungi gives us a unit called lichens. So, the combination of algae and fungi that makes lichens. Lichens are the major function an ecosystem is that they act as a pollution indicator. Their growth is hindered when there is excessive pollution. As a result, chemical changes in their body of lichens can give us indications of the nature of substance. Says that come in contact with them. So, substance extracted from a lichen's body called litmus is used as a natural indicator for chemical purposes, especially in detecting the acidic and basic nature of solutions.